Hello friend, Satish Tiwary here from Ethical Hacking Tuition Center Jaipur. Today in this tutorial, I am going to show you how you can install Ubuntu 24 inside VirtualBox in MacBook M1, M2, M3 or M4. So you can install Ubuntu on VirtualBox inside Mac M1, M2, M3, M4 with the help of VirtualBox software. I have already uploaded video how to install VirtualBox inside your MacBook M1. Now this time I am going to show you how you can install Ubuntu Linux inside that. But before that, you have to know from where you have to download the correct file for your Ubuntu. So you have to Google for Ubuntu 24 ARM. Okay, so just go to this official website. You can see cdimage.ubuntu.com. Go to this website. From here you have to download the desktop image for 64-bit ARM. Okay, so just click on it and it will be downloaded. I have already downloaded the ISO file. You can see this Ubuntu 24 1.0. So I don't need to download it again. You have to download from this link. Now I'm going to show you how you can install. Simply click on new, then give the name Ubuntu 24. Okay, so here you have to give name Ubuntu 24. Then it will ask for the type. Type will be Linux. Subtype you have to use Ubuntu, and then version Ubuntu ARM 64-bit. Okay, just keep it is. Click on next. Now it will ask you for RAM and CPU. Increase the RAM from 2 GB to up to 4 GB. So keep 4 GB. Okay, not less than this. And you have only one core is not enough, so give at least 4 core and then click on next. Then the hard disk size, by default it is 25 is also okay, but I will prefer 35. Okay, so press 35 here, give 35 GB space, click on next, click on finish. After this you need to make certain changes, okay, a little bit changes inside the setting option. So go to the settings. The first change you have to make in the general tab. So you can see by default Ubuntu and all this. So you can go to advanced and you can go to description, everything. Okay, so no changes here. Go to system. No changes in the system also. Go to display. No changes in the display. Go to storage. Here you can see empty option. So click on empty, and the right hand side you can see the CD logo. Click on this logo. Choose the first option. Then go to add. And then go to the folder where you have downloaded the Ubuntu ISO file. So I go to download folder. Here is the Ubuntu file. I select it, click on open, click on choose. Okay, done. Now audio, don't need to make any changes here. In the network section, by default it is NAT. If you want to make bridge, you can make it bridge. Okay, so bridge will be better. Click on OK and done. Now your Ubuntu is ready to install. So simply click on the start button and it will pop up like this. Okay, so you can simply press control button here on your MacBook and you can close this one, these things, and you can see the first option here, try or install Ubuntu. Okay, so I have to use the first option, try and install Ubuntu, and press enter. Once you press enter, you can see this option. Now just wait for few seconds. It's loading. Once it will be loaded, it will be display here. Now you can see this is your Ubuntu Linux machine, but this is live now. I need to install it, so just wait. It's preparing. Now you can click on next here. Next. Okay, use wired connection. Okay, click on next. Install Ubuntu or try Ubuntu. I want to install Ubuntu, so select the first option. Interactive installation. Okay, next. So click on next. Here you don't need to install the graphics card or Wi-Fi hardware, but if you want to install, you can install it, but it will take more time, so I will not select it. Erase disk, okay, go with next. Create your account, so you can give your account name. So I am giving Satish name of this machine. I am giving the name Satish, suppose. Account password, you can give anything. I am giving 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, and then it's asking for computer name. Give any name, suppose I am giving Mac, and click on next. Click on next, install, and done. That's all what you need to do. And after few minutes, like it will take 10 to 15 minutes, you have to wait. The installation will be complete, and it will ask you for reboot the system once the installation will complete. While you reboot the computer, just press enter and log into the machine. Okay, so I hope it will help you to install Ubuntu Linux inside your VirtualBox. In this way, you can install Ubuntu Linux inside your VirtualBox inside the MacBook M1, M2, M3 or M4. Right now, I am doing this lab on MacBook Air M1. As you can see, this is Apple. Go to about this Mac and you can see MacBook Air M1. Thank you. Thank you for watching. If you still have any doubt, any problem during installation, you can ask me through the comment section. Now there is no any other steps, just reboot the system. Installation will be complete and it will ask you for the reboot. You don't have to do anything else. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for watching.